Hey, this is Madison, and I'm doing my peer review on The Day Ray Got Away. Mary Catherine, I loved how you pointed out um, the many action verbs that were on this page. Laughed and flexed and worried and floated and smiled. There's so many action verbs, and I agree with you completely how you said that the verbs help depict to the reader exactly what the characters are doing. And I think with talking about verbs this week, I think this was a great book to use for that. There's constantly so many action verbs and verbs throughout the book, and I just thought that that was great that you pointed that out. Something that I pointed out that she didn't was here you see an ellipses, but then a shout rang out and ropes began to dot 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 snap, snap, snap. He's loose, try to grab his foot. So I thought that how she put the words on the page, snap here, snap here, snap here. It's in the middle of the ropes breaking, and you can just hear it. So she's using an onomatopoeia here, but also the way that she puts the words on the page is very effective because you can just you can see the ropes breaking apart and pulling apart, and you can just almost hear it go snap as you're reading through it. And I thought that that was great. I think Johnson did a wonderful job with this book. It's a great book for to teach action verbs because there's so many present, and I just think that it's a great book for kids to read because the pictures just align with the reading so well, and you can just go through it and you can visualize as you read, and the pictures align with it all so well. And I just think that this is such a cute, little, interesting book, and I loved it. And Mary Catherine, you did a great job this week. Thank y'all.